Hey GlamFam, welcome back besties. Today we're going to be using these Dollar Tree items to make gifts for Xone's teachers. You can find all these at Dollar Tree. And I end up picking up string lights from Hobby Lobby, but we can get them at the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree ran out. So we're going to be turning all of this into these gorgeous pieces. Do remember to watch the video to the end and subscribe if you're new. All right, so I'm hoping to explain this as clearly as possible. So if not, guys, just please watch and do your best to, follow along. So the goal here is to get the string lights through the balloon sticks, and then you're going to get your balloon sticks into the foam. Onto the foam, you'll add flowers using the pieces to the side. The excess, you're going to stuff all of that into your clear ornament. Then I'm going to wrap the box to make it nice and pretty. I'm also using some wrapping paper. I went ahead and glued my ribbons inside the box. It's easier to have it already glued inside the box, so that way when you put it over your balloon, you're just gluing the other end of the ribbon. You could also purchase a box at the Dollar Tree if you'd like, but if we're trying to save money here, guys, we're using what we already have. Just so that I can find a place for this, I added my 2 AA batteries, and we're gonna put this at a nice place where you can take it out easily and remove it if you need to change batteries. Next, we are going to put our balloon stick inside the foam, and we're gonna set that in place, and then we're gonna place the excess lights inside the ball, and then I'm going to put a little bit of glue at the top of the stick and glue this onto the ball. All right, so I turned the lights on just to kind of check and make sure that the glue did not interfere with any of the little bulby things inside. And because the ribbon is already glued to the bottom, we're going to wrap that over. You'll need a small amount of glue on the top portion of the ornament, and then you're going to glue the next side of your ribbon onto the box. We're going to pick the next side of the ribbon up, and then you're also going to, it's still warm, so I believe I didn't have to do like an extra dab of glue on the top, but then we're also going to glue this on the other side. All right, so onto the foam, I am going to try and secure or battery pack. You want to set it in a position where, it's going to be easily accessible. You can get in there, you can remove the batteries whenever they're done. The floral arrangement that I have was some arrangements that I have like years ago. So I'm kind of just prepping. So we're going to take this apart and then use what we have for the decoration. Next, we're going to be decorating inside. So you're going to be adding your floral arrangement, and this you'll have to kind of play around with it until it turn out the way you want it to. So I'm just going to be adding pieces in and out and see how it turns out. in case you get confused, this is the decoration of the second box. So I've included that in here as well. All right, so as I said before, it will take some moving around, but I'm sure you'll move it around until you get it to where it's looking really pretty. All right, so after you're done moving your flowers around, it should look something like this. Because the end of the bulb there looks bare, I'm also going to be placing a ribbon. I had to make one. I found a little ribbon that I had laying around. I'm going to stick that on one of these, and then I'm going to use the rest of the ribbon from the one that I have to kind of just make a little bow and stick it on there. I picked up gift cards from Bath and Body Works. I did put a little bit of glue on here because the nail was gonna just bring it to school like that. All right, so this is what they are looking like. I think they turned out really pretty. So the next time you want to give a card, consider this, you know, and they can use it as a nightlight. And I'm gonna show it to you with lights on and lights out, so they can literally sleep with this if they wanted to. Remember to leave a comment down below of your thoughts. We really do want to hear from you.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.